With temperatures forecasted to be in the teens or even lower, we know at all Temp we're going to get calls for frozen condensate drain lines. That's something we're always happy to help with, but a lot of homeowners can take care of that themselves and save a little bit of time and a little bit of money. So first, I'm going to show you how to identify if your system could have a frozen drain line, and then I'm going to show you how to fix it if it is. So first, this only affects high efficiency gas furnaces, and ShopCat here is going to show you how to identify it. So to find your furnace, look for the gas line. It's going to have a shutoff, it's going to have a regulator, and it's going to have a union going into the furnace. That's what it should look like. To know if you have a high efficiency gas furnace, you're looking for this white PVC pipe. If you have metal pipe coming out of the top, or if this thing's on its side coming out of the side of it, you don't have a high efficiency system. And if you do have a high efficiency system with that type flue with the gas line, you're going to have a condensate drain coming out of the side of it. Now that condensate drain needs to get water outside of your house, and it's unlikely, but in your basement or in your attic, in your crawl space, this drain line can freeze. If it does, you can just hit it with a hairdryer and just run a hairdryer on it, keep heating it up until you get that water blockage, that ice blockage cleared out of there. Side, this is where they freeze the most. You see the same PVC pipe coming out. You might see ice on the ground. You might see ice coming down from the pipe. That's normally where your problem is. You can fix this just by pouring some hot water over it. You don't want to use boiling water. You just want to pour some simple hot water over it, and that way you don't melt anything, but you do get that ice blockage to clear. Last consideration, these drain lines are especially likely to freeze when there's been a power outage. Your system's been off for a long time, water may have been sitting somewhere in that pipe, and then it was allowed to freeze. And when your system comes back on, it can't clear that already frozen water. So again, if you do have a power outage, be extra mindful of this.